Good morning students, welcome back in chemistry classes. I am Amit Tyagi. Students, today our topic from class 11 unit 9 hydrogen. Student, today our topic hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxides. In hydrogen peroxide, the structure of hydrogen peroxide HOOH and the oxidation number of oxygen in peroxide -1 and in peroxide -1. So H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, the oxidation state of oxygen is -1. After that, preparation method of hydrogen peroxide. Preparation method of hydrogen peroxides. Number 1, hydrogen peroxide prepared by Na2O2. By Na2O2, sodium peroxide. When sodium peroxide treated with dilute H2SO4, then they gives Na2SO4 PPT and H2O2. This Na2SO4 PPT removing by the filter paper. After then, the by barium peroxide. By barium peroxide. Students, when a hydrated salt of barium peroxide treated with H2SO4, it gives hydrogen peroxide. BaO2 into 8H2O plus H2SO4, then they gives BaSO4 plus H2O2. The PPT of white color removing by the filter paper, BaSO4 and H2O2 is obtained. Students, यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि why are use the barium peroxide in hydrated salt, कि हम बेरियम पेरोक्साइड का हाइड्रेटेड साल्ट ही क्यों यूज करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली. बेरियम peroxide reaction with H2SO4, it gives barium sulfate white PPT. They attain a protective layer of BaSO4 and not a prepare formation of a H2O2. It means BaSO4 का जो white PPT होता है वो H2O2 की फॉर्मेशन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. इसलिए ये प्रोटेक्शन लेयर ना बने, हम इसमें हाइड्रेटेड साल्ट का यूज करते हैं. नंबर नेक्स्ट है, when BaO2 reacted with carbon monoxide with H2O in ice cold. It means ice cold में जब हम BaO2 को reacted कराते हैं तो then they gives BaCO3, mixture of BaCO3 and H2O2. यहां पर हमारे पास में BaO2 CO2 के साथ ले लेते हैं इसको हम. BaO2 plus CO2 plus H2O2, then they gives BaCO3 PPT and H2O2. After that, the H2O2 is prepared in industry by the electrolysis of H2SO4. Students, when electrolysis of H2SO4, it gives H2SO4. After electrolysis, it gives H positive plus HSO4 negative ions, and at cathode, it gives H2 gas. It gives H2 gas, and at anode, it gives H2S2O8 per disulfuric acid. It gives per disulfuric acid. When per disulfuric acid H2S2O8 treated with water, then they gives H2SO4 and H2O2. H2O2. This H2O2 is obtained by the 50% of H2SO4. ये H2O2 की फॉर्मेशन हमें क्या होता है 50% ही अटेंड कर पाते हैं. In this method, modified by this method, H2SO4 treated with the ammonium sulfate, then they gives H2O2 by ammonium sulfate electrolysis. Students, when ammonium sulfate treated with H2SO4, ammonium sulfate treated with H2SO4, then they gives NH4HSO4, ammonium bisulfate. When ammonium bisulfate NH4HSO4 are electrolysis, then they give H positive plus NH4SO4 negative. Then they give H positive and NH4SO4 at anode. It gives at anode NH4SO4. They gives NH4 whole twice H2O8, and at cathode it gives H2 gas. This NH4 whole twice H2O8 treated with water, then they gives H2O2 and 2NH4HSO4. This is the preparation method of H2O2. Students, मैं एक बार फिर आपको रिवाइज कराता हूं। H2O2 का प्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने सोडियम पेरोक्साइड से किया। When sodium peroxide treated with dilute H2SO4, they gives H2O2. After then, second method, when hydrated barium peroxide treated with H2SO4, then they gives H2O2. When barium oxide treated with ice cold CO2 with water, they gives H2O2. उसके बाद हमने मेथड लिया by the electrolysis of H2SO4 and by the ammonium sulfate electrolysis. तो आज की वीडियो में हम इतना ही रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इसकी फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी को डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।